This is ECOSTAN Hammer Mill Machine Model HM120. Output capacity, 7,000 kg per hour. Power required, 179.5 horsepower. Hammer mills are used for converting forest and agricultural chipped waste into powder form. Finished output can be used for making biomass pellets or briquettes and for other applications. ECOSTAN Hammer Mill can crush any type of agricultural or forest waste such as wood barks, coconut waste, ground nutshell waste, sugarcane bagasse, wood chips, etc. This machine is fully controlled with a PLC Control Panel, which ensures smooth working and safety while operating. PLC control system eliminates the chances of overfeeding of raw material or getting the hammer mill jammed. The raw material is fed into in-feed screw conveyor which drifts the raw material into hammer mill. Inside hammer mill, the raw material gets crushed into smaller pieces with the help of repeated blows of hammer blades. Hammer mill blades can be reused up to 4 times by changing their sides, and it helps to make the operation more economical. The crushed material gets passed through the perforated screen used in hammer mill. The output size of the raw material depends on the perforated screen hole size, and it can be changed by changing the perforated screen. The hammered material gets pneumatically lifted by ID fans and then enters into cyclones where the separation of raw material from the air takes place. The final output is delivered by the airlocks and is ready to use. To get the best quality output and higher production capacity, the maximum moisture content in the input raw material should not be more than 12%. Other models are also available with the production capacity from 250 kg per hour to 7,000 kg per hour. ECOSTAN Machineries, your power to perform. Subscribe to ECOSTAN YouTube channel and ring the bell to get notified about our latest videos. For more information, contact us on the following numbers or log on to www.ecostan.com. Order now.